famous landmarks. Eiffel Tower, a famous iron tower in France.
We visited the Eiffel Tower during our trip to Paris.
Statue of Liberty, a famous statue and symbol of freedom in the United States.
The Statue of Liberty welcomes visitors to New York.
Big Ben, a famous clock tower in the United Kingdom.
Big Ben rings every hour.
Taj Mahal, a beautiful white marble mausoleum in India.
The Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world.
Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue located in India.
We visited the Statue of Unity during our trip to Gujarat.
Great Wall of China, a long ancient wall in China.
We walked along the Great Wall of China.
Colosseum, an ancient Roman amphitheater in Italy.
The Colosseum is over 1,900 years old.
Sydney Opera House, a famous performing arts centre in Australia.
The Sydney Opera House has a unique design.
Christ the Redeemer, a giant statue of Jesus Christ in Brazil.
Christ the Redeemer stands on a mountain.
Leaning Tower of Pisa, a famous leaning bell tower in Italy.
Everyone takes funny photos with the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building in the United Arab Emirates.
We enjoyed the view from the Burj Khalifa.
Mount Rushmore, a mountain sculpture of 4 U.S. presidents in the United States.
Mount Rushmore is carved into a mountain.
Machu Picchu, an ancient Inca city in Peru.
Machu Picchu is surrounded by mountains.
Pyramids of Giza, ancient pyramids in Egypt.
The pyramids of Giza are thousands of years old.
Stonehenge, a prehistoric stone circle in the United Kingdom.
Stonehenge attracts visitors from around the world.
Golden Gate Bridge, a famous suspension bridge in the United States.
We drove across the Golden Gate Bridge.
Mount Fuji, the highest mountain in Japan.
Mount Fuji looks beautiful in spring.
Petra, an ancient city carved into rock in Jordan.
Petra is known as the Rose City.
Angkor Wat, the world's largest religious monument in Cambodia.
Angkor Wat is a popular tourist attraction.
Tower Bridge, a famous bridge in the United Kingdom.
Tower Bridge opens for large ships.
Niagara Falls, a famous waterfall on the border of Canada and the United States.
Niagara Falls is breathtaking.